Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I hope everyone will be fine. Our 5 lecture has completed now. I am starting the new lectures. Pronouns. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Example story. Mary is one of the head of the Toji corporations. Mary worked with Mr. James and Mr. James' son. Tom married Mr. James and Mr. James' son Tom are experts in biochemistry. Mary, Mr. James, and Tom researched and invented a drug for cancer treatment. If the story above is written using pronouns, Mary is one of the head of the Toji Corporation. She works with Mr. James and his son Tom, and he and his son Tom are expert in biochemistry. They researched and invented a drug for cancer. So everyone understands we are using the name instead of names she, he, his, they, them. Personal pronouns all refers to a person. I go to schools instead of noun. You are a student. There are Koreans. He works here. We gave her food. The word it refers to an object. I drink it. It is big. They cut it into halves. Memorize the personal pronouns, so several tables. First, second, third, singular, I, singular subjects, first person, second person, third person, I, you, he, she, it's, a, that's, a personal pronoun. Singular objects, me, you, him, her, it. Singular reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Plural subjects, we, you, they. Plural objects, us, you, them. Plural reflexive, ourselves, yourself, themselves. So thanks for watching. That's will complete the lectures. We will discuss the old objects and things. So thanks for watching.